and then we send it out, so that it comes back here. So as we move to the production line, we
I was working in Toyota Kenya.
Yes.
Then when this electrical bike comes, then I was observed here. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're working with this good man.
Yeah.
Very good. Good luck, guys.
So as we move, now we start adding our electronics. So the battery is the heart of the bike, and this is more of the brains of the bike that we add in here.
Okay.
So this is our electronics, our discrete design systems.
This is the electronics that respond to all the other gadgets. That
exactly. So it takes in the input of the driver, whether it's stepping on the brake, accelerator, all of that, puts that all over together, takes power now from the battery and delivers it to the motor for
I thought we could manufacture this locally.
That's the harness, is that?
No. The harness we do produce locally.
Yeah.
All the other, it is a requirement.
In our regulations,
that you buy this locally.
That must be bought locally.
We produce the harnesses locally.
This one.
Yes.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
It's just the electronics themselves, the brains, the discrete electronics that
we've
sorry. Unaunda hii kitu?
Yes, unaunda hii kitu. Yes.
Allah. Okay, so mmekuwa mkifanya for how long?
I've been working with the company for the last 4 years.
4 years?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I'm currently the production line engineer, in charge of all the technical issues in the line.
Uh-huh. Okay. Where did you go to college?
Kabete.
Kabete Polytechnic?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Do you have some of your colleagues here from other colleges?
Yes, I have a lot of my colleagues here.
Okay, from the Tibet?
Yes.
Ah, very good. Pongezi. Good luck.
Awesome.
Very good.
Excellence, there are 14 parts that we have presented that must be bought from Kenya. When they bring the knockdown,
14 different parts.
Yes, we cannot bring that as part of the knockdown. So that's gazetted, and all the assemblers that go by those.
When did we gazette that?
That's 2019.
Okay, very good.
So this is where we start. Here we start adding the wheels. So the rear wheels come in. A few other components are added in here, but now it starts getting the life of its own, right? And then as we go down, we now add in the front forks. So the front forks are what hold now it's on its own 2 feet now, right? Now it's standing by itself.
How are you? Very good.
Yeah. Welcome.
You guys are sorting this thing out.
Yes.
Okay.
She's the team lead for the production line.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good, very good.
So this point,
you are aware that we have 14 parts that must be manufactured locally.
Yes.
You're aware of that?
Yes.
How do you make sure that that's the case?
We
work with...
Yeah, we work closely with the warehouse guys.
Yes.
So that is where we confirm that the parts are locally made.
yeah.
And also we have our manufacturing guys.
You think we should increase the locally manufactured components?
Yes.
Yeah, so the plan we now have is to, because we want to promote local